Hello guys! Welcome back sa aking YouTube channel. In today's lesson, meron ulit tayong difficult question na nanggagaling sa Quarterly Finance 1997 ng Battle of the Brains. So the question here is, what would you get if you multiply 5 square root of 3 subtracted by 3 square root of 2 by 3 square root of 3 plus 5 square root of 2? Bali, ang advantage sa tanong na ito, nakasimplify na lahat ng mga radicals. Mapapansin naman natin na each term sa power parentheses ay magkakaiba ang mga terms. We will use the FOIL method. Umpisan muna natin dito sa first term, imumultiply natin dito. Then, after nito, imumultiply naman natin dito. So, let's take 5 square root of 3 multiplied by 3 square root of 3. So what we're going to do here, we will just simply multiply the whole number, which is 15. Since pares lang naman sila na square root, they are both like terms, we will just remove the radical sign. So maging kalabasan dito ay 15 multiplied by 3. So 15 times 3 is equal to 45. So sa second, 5 square root of 3 multiplied by the 5 square root of 2, which is the outer term. Outer term tawag yan. So, what we're going to do here, ilapag lang natin. 5 square root of 3. Ayan. 5. Hindi na yan. 5 square root of 2. So, same as dito, we will just simply multiply the whole number, which is 25, and put the radical sign. Kasi, they're not like terms. So what we're going to do here, we will just simplify kung ano yung nasa loob ng radical sign. So 3 times 2 is 6. So ito yung sagot dito sa outer term. 25 with the square root of 6. Okay? And now, we will move on dito sa inner term. Ito. So, let's get the inner term. Lagyan natin yung letter I. So let's put negative 3 with the square root of 2 multiply by 3 square root of 3. Naintindihan pa sa camera. Ayan, good. So what we're going to do now, we will just multiply the whole number. Negative 3 times 3 is negative 9. Same as dito, since magkaiba sila ng radical, they're not like terms, we will just simply put the radical sign. 2 times 3 is 6. So ito po yung sa inner term. And lastly, ito naman, negative 3 square root of 2 multiplied by 5 square root of 2. So, lagay natin yung last. Okay, let's put negative 3 square root of 2 multiplied by 5 square root of 2. So, mapapansin naman natin na parehas ulit ang loob ng radical sign. So, what we're going to do now, we will just simply multiply negative 3 sa 5, which is negative 15. Dahil parehas to, we will just remove the radical sign. So, this will be negative 15 times 2. It will be equal to negative 30. Add these things down. This will be 45 plus 25 by the square root of 6. Subtract by 9, square root of 6, minus 30. Ayan, ihati natin. Bam. Okay? So, what we're going to do here naman, we will just combine like terms. So, para mailagay natin na maayos, we will just simply put the parenthesis sign. So, 45 minus 30, since parehas silang walang radical sign, ito yung like terms. Plus, 25 square root of 6, radical sign, subtract by 9, square root of 6. Okay, so what we're going to do now, we will just simply subtract 45 minus 30, which is 15, plus 25 square root of 6 minus 9 square root of 6. Since pares lang naman sila ng radical sign, they can be divided. So, ang maging kalabasan dito, 25 minus 9, which is 16. Ilapag lang natin ang square root of 6. So, ito ang final answer sa tanong na ito. I hope you learned something new. It's me, Bernardo Escorial. Stacker out.